mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Dahil bago kumalit pinagayami. Ako nga pala si Clifford de la Cruz, dating faculty member ng Social Sciences at GE Department, na ngayon nanilibihan bilang Quality Assurance Coordinator ng ating campus. Proudly representing the ever-reliable non-teaching personnel! Nasa office sila. With 7,641 according to ChatGPT. Home of the world-class Ghost Projects. World-class singers. Dancers. Home of world-class trumpets. Pero sinasalubong pa rin natin ng world-class smiles. Home of almost 114 million strong. Isa lang po ang hinahin ng bawat mamamayan. Igulong ang makurap. Igulong ang makurap. Shhh! Baka marinig tayo. The Philippines!
For the employee category, is none other than from the Philippines!
Let the haters talk, let the rumors fly. I ain't got time to wonder why. The good Lord knows the man I am, and I'll die standing tall with a mic in my hand. You can kick rocks if you don't like how I talk. I'm gonna keep on